This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, September 14th. Stock index futures under a little pressure in the overnight trade on concerns about the state of the global economic recovery, but a very quick rally as stock index futures traded higher on news that the August CPI here in the U.S. came in less than expected, up only 0.3% against the estimate of up 0.4%. Also, it does appear that the longer-term trend is higher, with the fundamentals still, I believe, to be supportive on balance, especially with the very low interest rate environment, not just here in the U.S., but overseas. And in the currency markets, the dollar index very quickly declined on news of the CPI. The idea is that with a smaller than expected CPI number, that puts less pressure on the Fed to hike interest rates. And of course, that would be a bearish factor for the dollar index. Moving over to the interest rate futures markets, the long end of the curve advancing on the CPI news. In fact, now we do have a breakout to the upside. The bonds had been in a 2-month congestion pattern. Actually, it was a symmetrical triangle pattern, but now breaking out to the upside. And I would expect to see follow-through gains, not just today, but longer term. Also, all of the tapering talk, I think, is probably overdone. I think we can see the bonds advancing despite the probability that there will be some type of tapering potentially later this year. So good trading, everyone. And once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.